Snarky crab, evil seagulls, island time.
New game, island time. Come on.
Ooh, I can't believe you're here. Hey, new buddy, my name's Carl the Crab. This is the island. This is my rock. I'm getting ahead of myself. I can't believe you're finally here. What's your name? Ooh, interesting. How do you spell that? Ooh, that's a shooting star out of 10.
DCAL.
That is my favorite thing you've ever made.
Bam. Yes. Bam. Go.
This is the one. Very edible, very excited for this particular fish. It doesn't matter how many other fish have come before it. This is the one we're very excited about here on the island.
Okay. Delicious coconuts.
Ooh, it's that guy again. He's a total jerk looking for an easy meal. Try to scare him off so he doesn't mess with you. Hey, what's up?
Get out of my house. Get out.
Ooh, I hope those are the pants I ordered online. See, I've had this vest and jacket forever. I just haven't found the final piece. So I just sit in this rock naked. Oh, hey, buddy, don't worry about it. Like, you had insurance, right? This guy's not as tough as he looks. You could probably scare him off with a mean look. Oh, golden fish! Wow, those are really rare. You only see those once or twice a playthrough if you're really good. Oof. Another day, another dollar, right? More like a sand dollar. Yeah, you get it? It's a turn of phrase you're used to, but then I put sand on it.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm having a great time, and I'm glad you're here, but I'd love to make a recommendation. Why don't you check out that watch? It's killer. It's stylish. It's on your left hand. Oof, you will never be able to reach that by yourself. Here, I got it. Take this. Do you have anything that might scare them off for good? Oh, wow! Great idea! I tell you, you and me, we're going places. You're the brains, I'm the talk. Hey, get back here! Can't you see we're starving to death? I mean, actually, I'm fine, but you, on the other hand. Ooh, it's not like... Hey, that bird! I know him! That's Steven Seagull.
picture.
All right, I'm not gonna lie. This is my favorite part of the day. Whenever this crate of random stuff shows up on the beach very conveniently for no reason, love it. Oh, great. Even more of these chuckleheads. Incoming! Look out! Oh, the seagulls are attacking again! Who knew seagulls could be so terrifying?
Oh yeah.
Oh, great. Even more of these chuckleheads.
For the fish pie. Getting this fish.
This fish, this is the one. Very edible, very excited for this particular fish. It doesn't matter how many other fish have come before it. This is the one we're very excited about here on the island. Look, it's a care package. Those have to be my prescription lenses. I have no idea what you look like. Oh, great. Even more of these chuckleheads. Okay, so I know it's just logs and rocks, but grab them. Grab them real good. We're gonna get through this together. That's what we do. Carl and you, that's the team. Huh. A box of seagulls out in the ocean. I feel like there's a joke here. Nah, I won't. Well, let's have the silent agreement not to upset whoever those tentacles belong to. Do you have anything that might scare them off for good? Holy crab! Talk about your circle of life. Let's hope old Aunt doesn't get hungry for Carl. Okay, don't get too excited, but it might be the life raft I ordered yesterday. I was thinking about you. Happy birthday! Do you have anything that might scare them off for good? Huh. A box of seagulls out in the ocean. I feel like there's a joke here. Nah, I lost it. Another spear. What? If I had hands, I would clap. Oh, great. Even more of these chuckleheads. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop dropping water! Water! Does anyone have water? Oof. Another day, another dollar, right? More like a sand dollar. Yeah. Well, buddy, it's been great, and I'm sorry you're dead.
Get juked, bro.